Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Fluency Tips. Today, I have something really special for you, an inspiring story about perseverance and friendship. We'll be following Alex, a young boy with a big dream who faces obstacles on the soccer field, and Sarah, a woman stepping into a new country, trying to navigate a language that feels foreign to her. Both characters teach us powerful lessons about pushing through challenges, about believing in yourself, about how hard work pays off. And more than that, this story shows the importance of human connection and how sometimes the right support can make all the difference. Whether you're here because you want to improve your English listening skills or you're just looking for a little inspiration today, this story has something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Once upon a time, in a small town filled with laughter and dreams, there lived a young boy named Alex. Alex had a passion for soccer that burned brightly in his heart. Every day after school, he would rush to the nearby park where he would practice kicking the ball against a wall, dreaming of becoming a famous soccer player. However, Alex faced many challenges. He was shorter than most of his peers and often found himself overlooked during games. The other kids teased him, saying he would never make it as a player. Despite this, Alex refused to give up. He spent countless hours practicing, honing his skills, and learning from the mistakes he made during games. One summer, a local soccer club announced tryouts for their junior team. This was Alex's chance to prove everyone wrong. He trained harder than ever, waking up early to run laps around the park and practicing dribbling and shooting. When the day of the tryouts arrived, Alex felt a mix of excitement and anxiety. The park was filled with talented players, all vying for a spot on the team. As the tryouts began, Alex gave it his all. He dribbled the ball with speed, passed it with precision, and shot towards the goal with determination. Despite being smaller than the others, his skill and dedication shone through. The coaches noticed him and were impressed by his tenacity. After a long day of tryouts, the coaches announced the selected players. Alex's heart raced as he waited anxiously. When his name was called, he couldn't believe it. He had made the team. Overjoyed, he thanked the coaches and promised himself to keep working hard. Throughout the season, Alex faced new challenges. He had to learn how to work as part of a team, handle pressure during games, and manage his nerves. There were times when he felt overwhelmed, especially when facing larger opponents. However, with the support of his teammates and coaches, Alex persevered. As the season progressed, Alex became a key player on the team. He scored goals, assisted his teammates, and even helped them develop their skills. His confidence grew, and he found joy in the game he loved. The team advanced to the championship match, a moment Alex had only dreamed of. On the day of the championship, the stadium was packed with cheering fans. Alex felt a rush of adrenaline as he stepped onto the field. The match was intense, with both teams playing their hardest. In the final minutes, the score was tied. Alex remembered all the hours he had spent practicing and knew he had to give it everything he had. As the seconds ticked away, tension filled the air. The crowd held its breath, eyes glued to the field, waiting for the moment that could change everything. With only seconds left on the clock, Alex received a pass from his teammate. Time seemed to slow as he skillfully dribbled past two defenders, weaving through them with determination. He felt the weight of their expectations on his shoulders as he took a shot at the goal. The ball soared through the air, and for a moment it felt like everything was suspended. When it finally landed in the back of the net, the crowd erupted with cheers that echoed in his ears. The referee blew the whistle, declaring the team the champions, and in that instant, joy washed over him. In that moment, all the struggles and hard work paid off. Alex had not only playing soccer, but also learned the importance of perseverance and believing in oneself. From that day forward, he inspired others in his town, proving that with determination and hard work, anything is possible. In a bustling city filled with diverse voices and dreams, a young woman named Sarah moved from Spain to an English-speaking country for work. Excited but nervous, she quickly realized that her English skills were not as strong as she had hoped. Every day, she felt lost in conversations, her heart sinking as she struggled to understand her colleagues. Sarah longed to connect with others, but her shyness held her back like a heavy weight. One afternoon, while sitting in a cozy cafe, Sarah overheard a conversation between two people. They were discussing their experiences learning languages, and Sarah felt a spark of inspiration igniting within her. She thought about how she could improve her English and connect with others in the process. As fate would have it, Sarah met Jack, a friendly local who was interested in learning Spanish. They struck up a conversation, and Jack offered to help Sarah with her English in exchange for Spanish lessons. Excited about the opportunity, her heart fluttering with hope, Sarah agreed, and they arranged to meet once a week. During their language exchange sessions, Sarah and Jack found common ground. Jack was patient and encouraging, always smiling as he helped Sarah with her pronunciation and grammar. In return, Sarah taught him Spanish phrases and cultural insights, laughter bubbling between them. As they spent time together, they not only improved their language skills but also formed a deep friendship that filled Sarah with warmth. Each week, they explored different parts of the city together. They visited museums, attended local events, and even tried cooking each other's traditional dishes. With every outing, Sarah felt more confident speaking English, realizing that making mistakes was part of the learning process. Jack's encouragement helped her understand that everyone makes errors, and it's okay to laugh at them. One day, while walking in the park, Sarah shared her dream of becoming a tour guide, showcasing her city to visitors from around the world. Jack encouraged her to pursue this dream, his eyes shining with belief, and suggested she practice giving tours in English. Inspired by his unwavering faith in her, Sarah decided to take the plunge, excitement bubbling inside her. With Jack's help, she organized a small tour for a group of international friends. As she practiced her tour script, she felt nervous but excited, butterflies dancing in her stomach. On the day of the tour, Sarah greeted her friends in English, sharing stories about the city's history, culture, and hidden gems. To her surprise, her friends were captivated, and they applauded her efforts, their smiles brightening her day. As Sarah continued to give tours, her confidence grew with each experience. She even received positive feedback from visitors who appreciated her enthusiasm and knowledge. With every tour, she honed her English skills and learned to speak more fluently. Eventually, Sarah began to offer official tours to tourists, and her dream of becoming a tour guide became a reality, fulfillment washing over her. Months passed, and Sarah's language skills improved significantly. She was no longer the shy girl struggling to communicate. She had transformed into a confident speaker who could engage and entertain an audience. Her friendship with Jack deepened, and they often reminisced about their language exchange journey, laughter echoing in their hearts. One day, Sarah surprised Jack with a special dinner to thank him for his support. She prepared traditional Spanish dishes, and they enjoyed a delightful evening reminiscing about their shared experiences, warmth enveloping them. Sarah realized that not only had she improved her English, but she had also built a beautiful friendship that enriched her life. Through this journey, Sarah learned that language is more than just words. It's a bridge that connects people from different cultures. With perseverance, a willingness to learn, and the support of a friend, she had transformed her life and embraced her new home with open arms, her heart full of gratitude.